Alright, here's a little trick that should keep you safe from magic smoke when you first plug in your quad, after assembling all. So here, for instance, I had some issues with this Diamond F4. I assembled 5 of them, and 3 had a faulty motor. Of these, and of them, 2 of them had a MOSFET blow up on first plug-in. So we placed them on 2 of the boards. Now they're running fine. But now I just assembled this one. That's a brand new board that I haven't tested yet. And so I soldered everything. All right, you can see that solders are pretty good. I checked for solder blobs. There is no short nowhere. I tried plugging in without the motors. So of course, when there is no load on the ESC, like a motor, that doesn't leave any load. There is no risk of blowing an RSC. It's only when you wire up the motors and that all the FETs are electrically connected that this can happen. If you have like a faulty FET or an issue in the SMT assembly. So here in this case I have a working board. Right, this one I plugged it with a LiPo and it works, no problem. So just to show how it works, here I got my Toolkit RC M6. It has this pretty cool feature. It does power supply, current limiting power supply. So here I set it on 4.2 volt and 0.5 amps. So that's a pretty low load. And basically what this means is that whatever happens, it will not supply more than 0.5 amps at 4.2 volt. So what I'm gonna do here is start. And you can see the all-in-one is starting. And it's only pulling 0.3 amps. So that's what a working all-in-one board should be consuming in idle. So of course, if I start arming, if I try to arm and spin the motors, it's most likely going to be current limiting and just reboot. What I want to do here now is I'm gonna need to put the phone down. Let's try on this new board that I haven't tested yet. So I'll plug it in. And we're gonna do the same. Power it with 4.2 volt, limited at 0.5 amps. And we see what happens. Okay, at 0.3 amps. I'm being super careful with these boards now. I don't know if I had a bad batch or something, but everything seems to be doing good. So now I can just plug in the battery and try spinning the motors and see what happens. And hopefully it's good.